Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good. I'm just going to do a ocean beach clock with this coaster I used the other day for my 3-tier cake stand, which already comes with that little piece in the middle, so I won't have to drill a hole. I'm already picked out the hands, so I know it'll fit. That's the first step always, because I used the one from this one just to find out, you know, on how thick I would need it. So that's how I went from there. So I thought I'd just show you the hands and then my other clock I made a couple weeks ago. So I picked out these hands. That's going to be for this beach one. And I'll probably paint them white, because that's what I usually like for those. And then what I did with this one here, remember I used those little foam sticker things, foam pads? Well, I went ahead and put a top coat of resin on the whole thing. And so you wouldn't even know that they are those white foam things. Isn't that something? So there it is. That's finished. Okay. This will be from start to finish. Anyway, that'll come last, the hands. So this will be like, a 3-day, maybe 4-day project. But it'll be fun. So today, well, now, I'm going to just go ahead and lay this white sand, okay? And then I'm going to lay some little goodies, a few little, hopefully I'm focused. These shells, this starfish, and, sand dollar, and then I have some sea glass in there. I picked out a few different colors. Some small little shells, you know, just to lay them around in there. So I'll be laying that down, this layer. And then I'm going to be using these natural shell pieces right here for the numbers. I thought that would be kind of neat and different. So hopefully I was in the camera there. Anyway, these are the natural shell pieces. And there, as you could see, you probably couldn't see in there, but I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of that chunky mermaid glitter in the white sand, just to give it a little bling. And also, you probably couldn't see, because I have it in there, some diamond dust, just a little bit of that. It's pretty. I think it'll look sparkly, give it a good pretty sparkle, you know? And then I'm going to be using indigo mica pigment for more or less the top. And then this aqua pearl pigment. And then the Maui. No, the Maui, then the aqua pearl. So I'm going to that's going to be my water. And I'm going to use the casting craft just in resin to get some waves, hopefully. Not too much. I'm not crazy about a whole lot of waves, you know, but some. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, in there I had a few pieces of glass glitter also for like ocean glass, you know, sea glass. So everything you've seen in there is what you've just seen. Oh, everything is from Primal Flow. And, well, I'll put a link in my description for that company. And also I'm using get the empty bottle here. I always say the empty. The epoxy resin store premium quality clear epoxy resin. Okay, and it's great for casting, putting top coats on your paintings, tabletops, jewelry. It's good general use resin. And I do have a link in my description for that as well, along with a coupon code though, for that place. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be fast forwarding through quite a bit. And don't know if I'm gonna pick out music yet. I'll try not to drive you crazy with the same repetitive music. It's kind of hard to find off YouTube, but I'll try to go with the flow, you know. All right, enjoy. Hey, so here we are. Oh, I am thrilled with it. Just love that Primal Flow mica in there. It's just beautiful. I love all the effects in here. So, it never fails. Anytime I want waves, it's usually just waves because he does those little details. Oh, like those bloom coasters too. They do it to me, but not as much. So when I pick up my tray, to put it in my rack, drying rack, and it's just right behind me, but just picking it up and pushing it in there sends off this tsunami, I think, each time. So it shifted, which they always do. I've seen them happen to a lot of people's. And then it only went probably about 1/4 of an inch because the white's still up there, which is really good. So I'm happy with it. Normally, when I have done the ocean before, I could do a second coat, and then add more white, okay? Which I have done before to put more details of white. But I'm happy with this, okay? I'm happy with just the right amount of white. I have to put it to an angle because you can't see it. And if I was to go ahead and put more on, of course it would flow over, okay? And although I could take it out of here and I could lay it down, put contact paper or something on the back, right? And then do another top coat on it and put some more details. But you know what? It will also thicken it to make this higher so that my mechanism won't go in it, my movement. So I was kind of just thinking, well, do I want it this way? Yeah, I do. I'm just going to keep it the way it is. So it's pretty neat. I'm very happy with it. And I decided, so I started thinking, do I want shells around the sides, like for numbers? And I even laid them down, the shells. And I was like, oh, that's too much shells because there's shells already here. So I decided no on that because I was thinking maybe I shouldn't use the natural chips, But I am, because it goes well. It don't make it look like too many shells. It's like these are natural seashells. So it looks pretty good. So I will put it together and let's take a look. And I'm happy with this. So let's take a look. I'm excited to put it together. So it's been 3 days. Yeah. I've been real busy just covering my vases and stuff. Those vases I got covered. And it looks good, all even, all the way around. So that's awesome. Yeah, kind of was worried about this corner. Kind of hit that with the torch. Yeah. Oh, good. Right on. Okay, so here goes. Don't know why. Well, we'd like to be careful because of the molds, you know. That's a trip. That is so cool, man. So the back, that's a trip. Look at that. That looks crazy. Pretty though. And I'm super glad that there's not much clear coming through here, because you know you're gonna have it against the wall. Of course it'd be white anyway, because usually all walls are white, but I had to make sure and stir in the clear spots. And there is one little peak of clear there, which actually, it gives it a lot of character, I think. That's a little transparent in there. It's very beautiful. Ugh, it really, I'm happy with this. Just real happy with it. Well, okay, so this is how I do it. I'll just show you real quick. I'm not going to glue these yet because I want this to set flat for at least a few more days, but you're going to get a complete look at what it's going to look like. So I have that completely straight. Then I just turn it. Match this up to the one. Pick which side I want. I think I want the colorful. A little brown and, oh, too, by the way, on these hands, they're kind of like an ivory. So they kind of match the shells a little bit. Anyway, that's what I do. Just keep going. Pick the side you want. It's real easy. And I will probably not use E6000. I will use resin. You know, just a little bit of tacky cured resin. That way it's not runny. That's pretty. That looks like coral. Don't have to all be the same color, that's for sure. So I'll finish this. And then you'll see. So there it is. Put my ticker in there. That's pretty. I like it. I love this clock. I've been wanting to make an ocean clock for a long time. I made Linda one time, but I was just learning then too. So I am very happy with this. I got some cell action effects still. They didn't go away completely. I was real happy with it. Well, y'all let me know what you think. I appreciate you watching, and this was fun. You must give it a try if you haven't done these yet. Everybody have a good week. I will catch you later in my next video. I'll show you everything, my vases and everything that are done too. So have a good one. Bye-bye now.